No drone, no problem. Today I'll be explaining how Google Studio can turn your ordinary footage into extraordinary aerial shots. I know that drones could be extremely expensive as of right now on the market, so I got you covered. So although these shots aren't going to be perfect, they're still pretty cool. You can still get some free aerial shots for your next project. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below, hit that like button right now, free support. All it does is help push my videos out to other content creators as well, and it helps motivate me to continue dropping content for you guys. With that being said, let's hop straight into Google Studio. As you guys can see, we're in Google Studios. Anyone could use this. All you need is a Google account. I will link it down in the description down below so you guys could also use it. This will be the first page that'll pop up. Let's go ahead and name it test. You can select the moon, Mars, but we're gonna stay on Earth. Right here we got the dimensions. If you want to do it 1080p or 4K, you can switch it up. We got how many frames we're gonna do. 450 is good. Frame rate, it's pretty cool. You guys could do 60 and slow it down, but we're gonna go with a 24 look, a cinematic look. We're gonna go ahead and press start, and then this will load up. If you guys are shooting a music video and you guys want to have the exact location, all you would do is go up to the search button and you would search the location that you guys shot the video at. What up?
Yeah, Lethal Company.
Give me like a couple minutes, bro. I'm recording this tutorial right now. I'll hop on after.
What's going on, you guys? It's Sacredtakes here with a new tutorial. Today we're going to go over shading.
Tell them to leave a like button for me because they always be forgetting.
And guys, make sure to leave a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys.
As you guys can see, I searched up the Empire State Building in New York City. This area right here will be the area that it will be exporting out. If you left click on your mouse, you could pan around just like this. If we go to the altitude right here, as you guys can see, we could push it out, we could push it in. Right here we got the pan, which goes left and right. Let's go ahead and center this out. We got the tilt, goes up and down. And if we go to add attributes, we could add some more things like camera lock. This will lock onto a certain subject. We got the field of view. We could add that. We got the time and day if you guys want to switch it to night and daytime. We got the clouds, we got the ocean, we got 3D buildings, we got the roll. Let's go ahead and add that. There's a lot of things that we could work with. I'm gonna just show you guys a couple. We got the field of view, which is pretty much like the lens. You can make it out wider, get more. You could use that. You could also use that to like zoom in if you wanted to. We got the time right here, you can mess around with it. You guys can see right here, we got the nighttime. Keep playing through. We got the early morning, got the midday. We also got the roll as well, which it goes like diagonal left and right. Pretty fire. We got the keyframe settings right here. For this tutorial, we're gonna do simple animations, but if you guys want me to dive deeper into it, I'll definitely do a part 2. So we're gonna go to the beginning right here. We're gonna add a keyframe. Let's go ahead and start it up right here. Skip through a few frames. And let's go ahead and zoom it in just like so. If we play it back, you guys can see it has that simple zoom in. So I switched up the zoom a little bit. So we're gonna start at the bottom and we're gonna zoom up. And if I play it back, as you guys can see, we have that animation. Now what we're gonna do is we wanna show a little bit more of the building. So we're gonna skip over a couple frames. We're gonna press scroll on our mouse, and this is gonna let us rotate around the building. So we're gonna do something like this. Let's show the city out a little bit. Let's bring the tilt up as well. Let's do something like that. Then we're gonna add a keyframe to the rest of the components as well. Now if we play it back, we got something like this. It's gonna zoom up, and then it's gonna show the building. We're gonna go ahead and highlight all these keyframes that we just did, and we're gonna push them out. And we're gonna push them out because I feel like that was way too fast. We play back, we have an animation like this now. Shows the building. Now I want to do a 360 around the building, so we're gonna skip out a couple more frames. Go ahead and keyframe everything. Let's go ahead and bring this field of view more back. Show the whole city, just like so. Now if we play it back, we got something like this. Shows more of the city. That zoom out is looking a little bit too robotic for me. So I'm gonna scroll down to the field of view where it zooms out, which is this part right here. We're gonna go ahead and right click, auto ease. And if we play it back, it's already a little bit more smooth, as you guys can see. Do animation like this. We're gonna go ahead and keyframe everything. So I was just pressing down on my mouse. Now we're gonna keyframe everything. Now if we play it back, we got something like this. Shows more of the city, which is fire. Let's go ahead and select all those keyframes that we just did. We're gonna go ahead and push them out. Select the remaining 2. I'm gonna go ahead and push them out just like this. Now if we play it back, it's the animation that we have. To the building. Shows the rest of the city. And then for us to save that, we're gonna go ahead and press on render. You can go ahead and choose where you want to save it to. Go ahead and press MP4 to save the video. And then right here, you could choose where you want the watermark to save. We could put bottom right. Go ahead and press submit. And that's the end of the Google Studio tutorial, guys. I'm not a pro. It was literally like one of my first times using this. If you guys have any advice or comments on how I could use it better, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacredtakes team. hit that like button. We're gonna keep dropping videos every single week, so I need you guys to hit that like button so it can motivate me to keep dropping content for you guys. With that being said, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.